Friends, welcome to Inside Techs. This is a platform to learn about power transmission elements and its control system. So, in the series of substation equipment testing, continuing in this series about transformer low voltage testing, we are going to see today transformer HV magnetizing current test. We have already seen various kinds of low voltage testing are there. Voltage ratio, turns ratio, HV balance, HV magnetizing current short circuit, LV magnetizing balance test, vector group and winding resistance. So we have already covered few low voltage testing from this list, and today we are going to see HV magnetizing current. We have already seen how to prepare transformer low voltage testing. We have seen various requirement of material for making this kind of low voltage testing kit in previous video. We have also seen how we will make a low voltage testing kit for a transformer. So now let us start for today's test, that is transformer HV magnetizing current test. So for transformer HV magnetizing current test, first we will provide earth, then neutral and three-phase supply. Okay, and for transformer HV magnetizing current test, what we have to do is we have to provide supply through the HV terminals. We have to connect through HV terminals, and LV terminals we have to keep open. Transformer HV magnetizing current test is also called as no load current test, right? So let us see how we have to do various connections. So first we have to connect HV terminals, okay, to the transformer. The transformer on which we are going to perform the test today are 66 by 11 kV 15 MVA transformer, delta and star winding. So as it is delta connected, we will not have neutral on the HV side. Now let us do connections from the testing kit to the transformer. We will connect R phase, Y phase, B phase, and for LV terminals we will connect R, Y, B and neutral, but we will keep this side open, that is we will not close the fuse. Okay, let us connect now, and before that let us see what is the format in which you will get the results for HV magnetizing current test. So we have to check various steps. We have various step numbers, then voltage measured on HV side for R between RY, YB and BR phase, and we will see HV current measured in milliamperes. We will get this current in milliamperes. Okay, so as LV is open, so there is no current on this side. We have to only see HV current measured. Okay, for R phase, Y phase and B phase. The test will be performed as usual. Step numbers 1, 5, that is the normal working tap of the transformer, on whichever tap the transformer remains in normal operation, and last is step number 17. So now let us see how to perform this test. So let us close all the fuse and turn on the MCBs, and what we will measure first, we will measure the voltage on HV side for R and Y phase. So using the multimeter we will measure the voltage. The voltage is 433 volts, so we will write it 433 over here. So next is for Y and B phase, we will measure the voltage. It is 435 volts, so we will write 435 volts here, and similarly we will now measure for B. So for B and R phase we have 432 volts. Now let us see how to measure further. We have clip-on meter to measure the current, so you have to keep the settings of this clip-on meter in milliamperes. Okay, so we will measure for R phase. You have to measure for HV terminals only. So for R phase it is 3.60 milliamperes. For Y phase 2.76 milliamperes. For B phase 2.47 milliamperes. We will note it down over here, right? So Similarly, you can measure for all the taps for tap number 5 and tap number 17. So these are the results for tap number 5 and for tap number 17. So this is the total result of HV magnetizing current. So it says 3 phase on HV with LV open. So this is open circuit or no load test is also the other name for HV magnetizing current. So what is exactly, why does this amperes come in milliampere, current come in milliampere? The reason is this is a no load current, so this is basically core loss of the transformer, right? So it has to be in milliamperes. The lesser the value of this current, the more it will be better. So friends, this is HV magnetizing current test. So in the next video we will show how to conduct various other LV tests on the transformer. If you have any questions, please comment in the section below. Thank you. Keep watching.